This is the elevator here at the Sire Hotel in Lexington, Kentucky. We got an ESCO that was modded by DC Elevator. Physically anyway, with the new cab and new innovation prestige buttons. But judging by the noises it makes and also the motor, it's mostly original. It just got new fixtures and a new cab. New call buttons and that sort of stuff, but otherwise mostly original. But still unfortunately modded. Oh wow, you got a dumbwaiter here, look at that. Very interesting buttons it has. Alright. What's son? And we'll take a look out at a hallway. That is one epic motor, if I do say so myself. It looks like it may just sit there, so we'll look around. I went. Here's a look around the hotel. Some rooms. And here is another elevator, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna ride as it literally opens right to the front desk, but this one's a bit different and is ThyssenKrupp. Here's inside one of the rooms. Or at least it looks, yeah, this is a ThyssenKrupp because it's got the mad BS classic fixtures and the crappy chime, and I heard a grocery beep. I'm not gonna bother with this one. This one is nothing special and it opens right up to the front desk, so. Alright, we'll head over and back down on that DC elevator. And there's the old radiator there. One. Looks nice, a little bit generic, but actually pretty nice. Still would have been cool to see what this looked like originally. Alright. And there it goes. And we'll get a look out It's a very beautiful old building. Look at that chandelier. It's so gorgeous. Head out. There's a view of the building itself. And anyways, there it goes.
Yeah, man.
What the hell? That was weird. Well, there's some of downtown Lexington, and there it goes. That's gonna be it.